Hey guys, Greg at Best Choice Trailers here. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around a Short Trac 6x10, 9,900 pound GVW, fold down side dump trailer. So again, this is the Deckover series trailer. This would be a mini of the 8-foot wide Deckover dump that I'll say Short Trac used to make. The trailer has been discontinued. They may bring it back at some point. But this would be a mini version of that. Super handy trailer. Take a walk around it, show you some of the features. Awesome trailer for landscapers. They seem to like this. Put pallets in from the side. We got some wood guys that like to fold a side down, fill it up with wood. Just makes it a little easier. All kinds of different users for this. Certainly being a Deckover, before we get started, I'll point out it is narrower. So you've got basically a 6-wide trailer that ends up only being about 6.5 foot from outside a stake pocket to the other side. So very narrow trailer, but yet still gets a full 6 foot by 10 foot box inside. So again, let's start out up front. Trailer's equipped with an adjustable coupler and drop leg jack. They're not standard on this model, but we've added them. You'll notice that the coupler here is a cast 2 and 5/16. Nice heavy duty setup. Same coupler on the 14,000 pound models. And then the jack, instead of being a bottle jack, we've gone to the 7K drop leg jack. If you're not familiar with the jacks, you've got an inner sleeve and an outer sleeve. The outer sleeve would adjust via the top line handle. The inner sleeve, you're gonna pull the pin here and simply let out as much as you need. No need to carry around a wood block or similar. Safety chains on this are pretty heavy duty for being a 10K trailer. And then your wiring harness is a 7-pin RV. It's a sealed wiring harness. Same 7 RV that's on pretty much every vehicle made in the last 20 years or so. On the 7K jack, there is a grease zert on it for some added serviceability. You also notice that the jack on this is going to be bolt on, not weld on. The wiring's all grommeted and ran in frame. And then, of course, your breakaway cable. If you never had a trailer, you would hook this up to the truck, and if the trailer were to disconnect, it'll bring the trailer to a stop. Toolbox on this is lockable. Keys on the back side of the handle. Group 24 deep cycle marine battery for standard equipment. KTI pump. This does have dual coils, so it's a power up, power down setup. Prop for the toolbox. Got a all-weather remote. It's got about a 20-foot cord with the up and down buttons. Trailer does not have a tarp kit. It is prepped for a tarp. So if you'd like a tarp, we do generally keep those in stock. You've got stake pockets going down the sides, and then you've also got a pair of stake pockets for the front. So normally Short Trac's Deckover dumps are going to be a 16-inch high. So one of the things on this custom dump that we do is to go with a 20-inch side. So you get a little bit taller sides on it, a little bit more cubic volume inside. On the regular dumps as well, the side panel comes down and folds in. Your cross members are held in place by the side, where this has a fully separate 4-inch tube bed frame, same as their bigger, heavier trailers. The 14,000 pound low pros and that share the same. Notice the main frame tongue tied together with your gusset plate, bullet LED lights, grease zerts on your hinges. Being a 10,000 pound GVW, it says it's a 6-lug wheel. It's a silver mod with a 225/75 R15. It's a load range D 8-ply tire. It's got the green cap, so it is nitrogen filled. Nitrogen will help keep your tire pressure more stable, but beyond that, it does keep some moisture out. Generally, it'll keep your tire from dry rotting, help keep it help make it last a little bit longer. Rear gate's got zerts on either side, 2 per side. On the chains, I like to cross them over, that way you can't come open when you're going down the roads. Cross that actually to there, and put this one across like so. Of course, LED lights to the rear. So standard, this would be a one-piece gate, so it's solid across the back. You'll notice this one's got the barn door, so it'll swing out around. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this side panel down. Generally, you'd want to probably have two hands on this, but I think I can probably handle it with one. So basically, we're just gonna rotate this 90 degrees and pull it out. Show you it is light enough you can handle it with one hand. It does have the keyway in the side there, just like their bigger ones, which does add a lot of additional strength to that side. Doesn't make it too floppy. D-rings in the corners, and then you've also got a D-ring up front and center. Let me throw this side back up and I'll put the bed up. Very simple deployment of the sides. Works very well. Pretty quick on the lift cylinder setup. Again, it is power up, power down. One thing we like about Trac, the wiring's generally all nice and neat, grommeted, ran in frame. Notice gusset there on your tongue. Everything is grommeted where it comes out of frame. You got your safety prop on the far side. Your connections for your brakes are all sealed. Again, everything is grommeted where it's going to go out of frame. You got a zert on your main hinge. Being a Deckover sits a little higher, they give you mud flaps as well. And then this is the bed frame that I was referring to earlier. It's got a 4-inch tube bed frame instead of having the sides come down and lip over. So this trailer is going to weigh in at about 2,250 pounds. It's going to give you a net legal payload of about 7,700. You're going to pick up some tongue weight as well. So somewhere probably 8,500 pounds would be a estimate of what you could haul on this trailer. This is a custom unit. This is the only size and GVW it's available in. Again, both sides do fold down, makes it super handy. If you have any questions on this or any of our other trailers, feel free to give us a ring, 717-220-4220, or you can visit us on the web at bestchoicetrailers.com. Thanks for looking.